28. A friend asks Mike, a highly confident person, for help in trying to fix his television set.
Hey Mike, can you come over here for a minute? I want you to take a look at my television set. It is not working, and I do not know how to fix it.
Let me take a look and see if I can do anything.
Well, do not fool around with it unless you are sure about what you are doing.
Don't worry. Just take a seat and I will have it fixed for you in a jiffy.
Hey! What are you doing?
I'm taking it apart, silly. How else can I fix it?
Do you not think you had better unplug it before you start working on it? You might get electrocuted.
Can you please keep your nose out of it? Who is repairing the set, you or me?
I am trying to help. I do not want you to get hurt.
There. I think that should do it. Switch it on and let us see if the picture comes on.
It is still not right. I think I will call the technician.
Wait. Hold your horses. I think I see the problem right here. Ouch.
It serves you right. I told you to unplug it first or you might get electrocuted, and you did not listen to me. You should not have touched anything you were unfamiliar with in the first place.
As if you could have done any better.